Let's check into the renovated and renamed Knott's Hotel. The former Knott's Berry Farm Hotel has a new name designed to provide more attention to the farm's founders, Walter and Cordelia Knott. You will find referenced in pictures and other memorabilia throughout the new lobby of the hotel. The hotel also includes a new gift shop, the Berry Place, where you can stock up on berry market jams and jellies, as well as t-shirts and other paraphernalia. But let's check out a room. Let's do a little room tour of our place to stay here in the Knott's Hotel. Got a couple of nice beds here. Everything's been renovated, redone, more modern, but again, nods to the old with some of the imagery on the wall here. Kind of millennial gray, maybe a little bit of boysenberry shade there. The china there is a reference to the china that Cordelia Knott served in the original chicken dinner restaurant, which was the start for Knott's Berry Farm. Taking a more look around the room here. Natalie is going to show us kind of the nifty controls on the lights here on the mirrors themselves in the bath area. Yeah, lights up nicely there. And then we'll continue our look around the bathroom in here. All nicely modern, recently redone. And that is what you have waiting for you at the newly revamped and renamed Knott's Hotel, right next to Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park.